Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to activate your K credit card online. So watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your K credit card online, simply follow the steps. Go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. In the search box, type in Activate K credit card and perform your search. On the next page, you'll need to look out for this Activate Your Credit Card Community Bread Financial link. Give it a click and you'll end up in this page. Click on the Activate card at the top of the screen and this will open up the card activation screen. Go ahead and type in the credit card account number available on your K credit card you'd like to activate. And once you are done, head over to the next field and type in the expiration date for your credit card. Select an identification type from the drop-down, whether you'd like to choose a social security number, social insurance number, alternate identification. Go ahead and click one of the options and type in the information on the next field as it asks you according to your selection. Here, since I chose the social security number option, it is asking me to type in my last 4 digits of the social security number. Once you are done typing it in, type in your zip code or your postal code on the next field. Soon after you are done filling in the details, click the continue button and follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and that should help you in activating your K Jewelers credit card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.